okay?
Yeah, I don't know. I just started eating all this food because it looked so good, and I just had all this chocolate and cookies and soda and Yo Kids Squeezers yogurt, and then I had this like lemons, and now I just feel rotten and my stomach feels raw and I can't eat anything, and I don't know what's wrong.
Well, you might have actually over acid production. Do you mind if I listen to your stomach?
Please do.
Here, let me put on my stethoscope. Oh, it sounds like there's a lot of gurgling going on in there. I think you actually might have over acid production in your stomach.
That would explain the farts. I mean, I just don't know what's going on.
I know. Well, let me actually show you. I've got it's a base acid reaction. Here is the mechanism. So let me explain this. So what we have here is we have HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, which is actually found in your stomach. And then we have sodium bicarbonate, which is a base that's also found in your stomach that protects the lining of your stomach from the acid hydrochloric from eating away at the lining of your stomach. So what happens is when we introduce sodium bicarbonate to HCl, sodium bicarbonate acts as a base and pulls off a hydrogen, and then the Cl leaves and forms sodium chloride.
Wow, it's pretty handy that we have that lining in our stomachs.
Totally. So if you're over consuming lots of acid, then it raises your acidity in your stomach. So
Oh,
I know.
that makes a lot of sense.
Totally.
I just need that reaction to happen in my stomach.
Well, let me show you. I actually have a little reaction set up here.
No way. How spontaneous of you.
Let me show you what is actually going on in your stomach. Here's the hydrochloric acid, and here's the sodium bicarbonate. When we add the two together, bubbles form, and then the acid and the base are neutralized. So that's what happens in your stomach.
What are all the bubbles from? It doesn't look very neutral.
All the bubbles are from the acid and the base reacting, and it creates bubbles. Well, do you want to try some?
I can drink that?
Yeah, we can just mix it up in some water.
That would be fantastic. And it'll make the squelchiness of my stomach go away?
Yeah, I've got some right here.
Oh, yes. You're a lifesaver.
I know it's pretty rough going down. But they actually do make Tums, which is the easier way to eat sodium bicarbonate. Are you feeling burpy?
I'm feeling very burpy.
I know, it's the bubbles.
Yeah, they just are bubbling. I can feel it. But my stomach feels so much better now.
Yeah, well this is
And you say that this is in Tums?
Yes, exactly. Same thing in Tums. You can get food coloring in Tums. That's the only difference.
Wow, that's amazing.
I know. Well, here's an
Great application of chemistry.
Great application
Of the acid-base neutralization reaction.
Well, that's it, folks.
Word.